start on some, this is what we start out with, these biscuits right here. And these are gonna make the best donuts you ever had. And the simplest ones. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a donut cutter. We're gonna take our little donuts and we're gonna put them into there. Take a look at that right there, people. Now that is a pretty beautiful donut, and that is done. Look at that. We got some cake frosting right here, white cake frosting we used the other day. And how I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna put a little bit of strawberry jam into this. Not too much, it's about like that. This into the microwave, let it heat up. Food coloring, some pink food coloring. Gonna mix this together really good. We're gonna take our donut and we're gonna toss it in there like that. A little bit of this and sprinkle some all over it to give it a prettier look. Okay, I had a blast making these, had fun, and they sure look good, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Let's take a test on this. We're gonna tie that in right there. That's a beautiful one, ain't it? That's so good. Oh my god, that's good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my videos, and if you do enjoy my video, hit that subscribe button and don't hit the notification so you don't miss another video. And I got some great videos coming up, so stay tuned for the next video.